Students, in this video, we are going to see the gateway of Tally, which is the main screen in Tally. In the previous video, we have seen regarding about how to create a new company in Tally. Now let's see what is this gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally is one of the main screen for a company in Tally. Sometimes even we just call this one as one of the welcome home screen of Tally, which will display on the screen, and this consists of multiple components. And later the screen is divided into four main sections, that is title area. Main area, we have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus M. Calculator area, again we have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus N, and later we have the button bar. Next comes out with the basic menu style in the gateway of Tally. Here we have the four main parameters. The first one is masters, the second one is transactions, the third one is reports, the fourth one is configurations/settings. Now coming to the masters. Masters are nothing but where we can go for creating the heads for accounting and as well as for the inventory. In case of accounting, where we go for creating the heads like ledger accounts or the account heads, or it can be cost category or cost centers. The same way in case of inventory, where we create the heads like stock items, stock category, stock group, goodowns, units of measure, etc. Next is regarding about transactions. Under transactions, again we have two main things, that is accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. Here it's a place where we go for recording the transactions in accounting and as well as the inventory vouchers. We have to just check the transaction whether it belongs to accounting or inventory. Based on that, we go to the respective accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. The next one is regarding about the reports. In case of reports, where we can see the list of financial reports or the financial statements, like we can see balance sheet, profit and loss account, etc. But here in case of reports, we can display, we can do the configurations, we can take the printout. But here we cannot alter, here we cannot edit. Okay. Then the last one is regarding about the configurations/settings. Configuration is applicable for all the companies which are located in the Tally data folder. Last class already I have told that a data folder will be available once we create a company. One more folder will be created inside the data folder. That is, for each company we will be having a separate folder in the Tally data folder. Now let's see the shortcut key for Tally configuration. To configure the recently created company, we have to make use of the shortcut key, that will be function key F12. But these configuration can be changed and managed any number of times to suit the changing needs for a particular company. Now let's see the practical part of gateway of Tally. This is the main screen in Tally, and on the right hand side we can see the gateway of Tally is available. I just tell you all the areas of this particular screen here. First area, I think so all can see the mouse pointer. This is the area where we can see the details regarding about the Tally product. Tally solutions, then here we can just see 1988 till 2008. This indicates that the first version has come down in the year 1988, and 2008 indicates here Tally 9 with the release of 2.14 has come down in the year 2008. Down we have the website of Tally solutions, right? Then on the other side we can just see here Tally Gold, this is for multi-user. Down here educational, because I'm using the educational version of Tally. This is mainly used for learning purpose. Suppose if you have a license key for Tally, the license key will be displayed here. That is, the serial number will be displayed here, and that consists of total 9 digits. Below this is a area which we just call here the horizontal button bar. In horizontal button bar, what all we have here? In horizontal button bar, we have the option to print, export, email, uploading, language where we can change the language, keyboard. In the same way, we can access even the help also, right? And on the other side, this is the area where we can see here the vertical button bar. So this one we just call here the vertical button bar, where we can just here select company, how to shut the company, how to display the date, period, company info, and down, that is bottom right hand side. Here we have features. Features indicates here, we just call here Tally features. Sometimes even we call this one as a company features also. This I'll be telling you later. Then comes out with the configuration. And here we can see the system time, day, date, then Tally 9 release 2.14, language is English, and this is gateway of Tally, right? Then this area, this is a area which we just call here the main area. In main area, we have two parts. One is left hand side, the other one is right hand side. On the left hand side, we can see here the date is displayed, right? Day and date, and the financial year period also we can just see, that is from 1st of April till 31st of March, and this will display even the list of companies which are loaded. Right now only one company is created, that is Beacon, and we can just see here date of last entry. What is given here? No vouchers entered, because we have just created a company but we have not recorded any of the transactions. On the right hand side, we have the gateway of Tally. Before I just proceed to the right hand side, that is gateway of Tally, we can just see here the wrong date is displayed, right? In case of educational version of Tally or educational mode of Tally, we have certain restrictions on date. In educational mode, we are allowed to make entries only on first, second, and last date of a month. We are not supposed to enter any other dates like 5th of June or 10th of June. That is not allowed here. Only in case of license it is allowed. Now coming to the gateway of Tally, here we can see masters, transactions, import of data, then reports. Coming to the masters, where we can go for creating the heads for accounts and inventory. Then coming to the transactions, where we can go for recording the transactions which are pertaining with accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. Then import of data. Suppose if we have to import of data from some other different company, in that case we have to go here import of data. Then coming to the reports, where we can see the list of financial reports, that is balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis, display again. Once we go for display, again we have the menu. This I'll be telling you later. Again we have the list of contents, trial balance, day book, account books, statements of accounts, inventory books, cash flow, fund flow, list of accounts. To come out in the sense to come back to the gateway of Tally, just press the escape key. One escape key, we will be back. Then here we have the quit. Quit indicates here to come out of the Tally, right? I just press here the key quit. Then to quit, press S. Suppose if you are not interested to quit the Tally application, press no. N. That is, in that case, we have to just press the key N. There's other way is also available here. Here we can see there is a close button is available, right? If I just click on this one, here also the quit will come, yes or no. Suppose if you want to quit, press S, that is Y from the keyboard, or we can use the mouse also. If you are not interested, then click on no or press N. Right now, no, right? Okay. Then down here we have the calculator area, right? The shortcut key for this one is Control plus N, right? Okay. To go to the calculator area, then what has to be pressed? Just press the key Control N. Okay. Here we can do some basic arithmetic operations. 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6. Press enter key, right? Then 19 into 7, right? Okay. Right now, the pointer is available onto the calculator area. To go back to the main area, in that case, we have to press here the key, that is Control plus M. Main indicates here, the M indicates here the main area. Right? We are back with the gateway of Tally. Before I just proceed with date and period, in case of reports, we can display, we can take the printout, we can do the configuration, but we are not supposed to do any type of editing or changes is not allowed here. Okay. The next is regarding about how to display the date. On the right hand side here we have the date and the shortcut key is available, that is just only function key F2. Just press the function key F2. It will display the date, but right now it will not display the current date. Current date is 3rd June, but it is displaying some other different date due to this educational version, right? To come out, press escape. Once again escape. The same way, to display the financial year, that is accounting year, we have F2, but below this F2 we have just one single line. When we have one single line, in that case we have to make use of Alt. Got it? Alt function key F2 will display the financial year period, that is from 1st of April till 31st of March. To come out, escape, once again escape, right? In the same way, if there is no line indicates here just only key. If we have any horizontal line, just a single horizontal line, in that case Alt. Okay. Then let's go back to the configure, that is function key F12. Here we can see we can do configuration. This is general, numeric symbols, accounts, inventory info, voucher entry, invoice orders entry, printing, connectivity, shop, quit. All the configuration we are not going to do right now. Where it is applicable, when it is applicable, that time I'll be telling you regarding about this particular configuration. To come out, just press escape. Just now we have seen regarding about how to display the date and even the financial year period. The key were same, both were F2. But for date, there was no line. If there is no line, we are not supposed to use any other combination key. But for period, there was a single horizontal line. The single horizontal line, I've just given here, key. We have a key. Below that, if we have a single horizontal line, then Alt has to be used in Tally. Again, we have a key. Suppose if we have a key and if we have two lines, double lines, in that case, we have to make use of CTRL, that is control. This is all about the gateway of Tally. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel. In the same way, the next video also I'll be uploading, that is regarding about shortcut keys in Tally. Just have a look to that particular video. It is of just only 4 minutes because most of the keys are required once we go for the main practical part in Tally. And in the same way, one single letter can be used for many purposes. Okay, just have a look to that one, which is very helpful. And in one sequence itself, it is given. Before I just end the video, even shortcut keys may be asked in the final examination for 2 marks. Just go through that particular video also. The same way, gateway of Tally also is one of the most repeated and one of the important question for 15 marks. Even regarding about the company creation, which we have seen in the previous video, even that is also very important for 5 marks. Thank you.